Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Android Tech. Please like, subscribe, and click notification. So now we will unbox the cover for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Okay. Looks like this one. So I buy this one for the cover, the rear one, and then hit the side. Okay, this is the back protector for Z Flip 4. Okay, oh, this is the lens. Free one. I haven't noticed this one. This one clear, and then this one. Okay, let's see. This looks like. This one is with the camera and then the LCD on the that. Okay. Let's see. So, what's this? Oh, the lens. And then this one is for the. And then this guide how to clean before you put the lens or whatever. So this one. This is the temper glass to put here. So hopefully this one. So I don't know how it does. It was it's so difficult. Okay, maybe we will as of now we already advanced the screen screen protector protected for the behind of this Galaxy Flip, and then I hope you like. So please subscribe and click notification. Okay, bye.